Hello everyone! Today I'll show you how to reset settings in DragonSword Awakening. Let's begin by opening settings. From here select the tab you wish to reset. Let's say I want to reset the controls tab. I would enter it right here and then simply enter the key next to apply default to tab. Then hit apply. This will reset the settings in this tab to default. You can do so for every tab in the game, that being game, graphics, sound and controls. Once you are done, you can set them up back to your liking or simply close the menu. And that's about it. Thank you for watching and please make sure to comment, like and subscribe.